Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brakes just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well. There's a look at the front end. Walking around to the passenger side, you'll find that this vehicle does have the full M Performance kit, so we have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate, as you can see. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display, and we also have a reversing camera as well. Got the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust, and if you press this button on the remote, then it will pop the boot open just like so. Now inside of here you'll find we have a decent amount of space. It does go quite far back. Got the storage net on the left hand side, handle underneath so we can pull it back down. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back first you'll find the full black leather interior, the foldable armrest and the fixed ISO points. We also have the M Sport style seat belts, ambient lighting you may have noticed on the doors, and also the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Same full leather interior at the front, and both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them front seats. Electric power folding mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Now if you just take a seat inside, then you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press your start button, then the vehicle will turn on. Just turn the volume down. So as you can see, we do have the cruise control and the speed limiter just here on the left hand side. We've got the volume buttons on the right. And then we are also free from any warning lights on the digital dash, other than letting us know about the low fuel, so nothing to worry about. Got the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on here, so we have the shortcuts down here. Quickly going through them, we have the media options just here, the radio stations, music collection, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If you go into the main menu, go on to the car, and then settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. As you can see just here, plenty of colours which we can flick through. If you go on to orange, then you'll find the colours will change to orange. Got the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, you'll find the climate control, got the heated seats on either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. We also have some storage space inside of here. We have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and a USB port. Can be closed like so. Automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. So we have the adaptive drive mode, we have electric, hybrid, and also the sport drive mode just there as well. If you put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. We have the leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now have to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons just here on the left hand side, with the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show at different displays that you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle. The seats are very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. With both the front seats being heated, it's perfect for them cold winter mornings. We do have plenty of features in this vehicle. Quickly going through them, we do have the main infotainment screen, again features on there. It's currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of other options such as the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We've got the free zone climate control, got the ice-cold air conditioning as well, perfect for the hot summer days. Ambient lighting running all throughout the vehicle, looks really nice, especially at night time. Automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes, and of course you can stick it into manual mode with the paddles. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down before making the right hand turn now onto the industrial park and perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Add onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, reversing camera appears on the screen along with the parking sensors. Put it back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.